Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I just got my nozzle delivered. It's a 0.4 millimeter nozzle that I got from my printer right here, a brass nozzle. So today's video will be about replacing this nozzle. So I've got a good so I've got a wrench here to remove the old nozzle and put the new nozzle in, and just a vise, and then you'll be good to go. So let's get started. So guys, here is the heater block, and here is the old nozzle and the new nozzle. So I started comparing both nozzles, and this one is quite a bit longer. Not the greatest news, but hopefully it will fit. And as you can see how beat up this nozzle was. Let the camera focus on it. Yeah, as you can see, it's worn down and it was extruding very thick parts of plastic. So this part will be thrown away. Maybe I'll keep it just to use the thickness of it. And here is the heater block and my new nozzle, and it looks like it's gonna fit. So let's screw it in and see what's gonna happen. Sorry guys, I did not put the disassembly of the old nozzle on camera because it was kind of tough to get it off. I needed to reconnect it to the printer, heat it up, and then remove it. So I'm sorry for that, guys. And we are done. That's a perfect fit. Actually, it's not a fit. Really great. Now let's lower the gantry. This thing right here. Let's throw it down, level the bed, and check the results. And that looks really great. So the nozzle is fitted and the bed is leveled. Now let's make it test extrude. So I'm gonna lift the gantry again, heat up the nozzle, and test the extrusion to see the width of the filament coming out. So let's do it. Yeah, and that's perfect. So as you can see, the width of the extrusion is really great, and it's thin as it's supposed to be. So that's a success here, as you can see, guys. And now let's keep this nozzle as clean as possible. And yeah, so we changed from this old beat up nozzle into this perfectly new brass nozzle. And why I choose brass? Because it transfer heats so much better than stainless steel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sorry guys, I did not include the disassembly, but because it was so hard to get off the hot end, because it was stuck on there with some plastic cooled inside of it, so I could not get it off on camera. I'm sorry for that. And yeah, hopefully you learned something in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.